Why are you ignoring this one? No, we are going back to 2015, okay? Hey guys, today we are going to make
Slime.
Okay.
and
There's pink.
pink and I don't know what it is, bro.
One.
A little bit of water, okay? Just a little.
I think put water in this.
Oh yeah, you're right, bro. Bro is poor. You can.
Bruh, my pen.
Oh my.
Bitch.
Bro, you making slime or bubbles? Bro, why would you open this one? Okay.
Cappuccino.
Now we are going to mix. You have to mix it.
It
Okay, now
smells
mix it.
so bad. It smells so bad.
Oh, just like you?
Shut up.
Okay, enough, bro. Okay. Now we are going to add a little bit. Okay, mix it. Okay, now mix it.
Oh my god, what? Look.
Yeah. Now we are going to add a little bit more.
It's not
Bro,
this
which
color.
color is that, bro?
It's bro, really.
It is fake. They told me that it's not.
Yes,
white.
it is white.
Oh, bro, that looks like.
It's yes.
She's done with it. Okay. I think we added too much this.
Yes, I told you.
Okay, now bring Vaseline. Go. Oh, look, she made it. Bro, I'm telling you to bring Vaseline. I'm touching it. Okay, it's done. Now you can go. Go. Okay, now I'm gonna change the song. We will play. I can't see it, bro. Can you just like make it bigger? Don't mix it, bro. Let's do this. Oh, bro. Wow. Again, let's do with this one. Why are you ignoring this one? We are going to back. No, we are going back to 2015. Okay, we will play "Let Me Love You." Bro, that's flower. Look at his reaction. Bro, he's like, "What are you guys doing?" Now her reaction. Come here.